Supreme Court has declared as unconstitutional the approval by Parliament to pay salaries of the first and second ladies of Ghana. Kwame Bafo-Abronye filed a writ at the Supreme Court seeking to reverse the payment of the salaries approved for the first and second ladies. The court also says the positions of the first and second ladies do not fall under the category of public office holders, and thus payment of emolument to such persons sins against the Constitution. Head of our Legal Affairs Desk, Richard Kwejonyaku, was in court and joins us with details. Kwejonyaku, what exactly were the reliefs of the plaintiff and which of them were granted?
Well, so Aisha, 4 reliefs were sought by Kwame Bafo-Abronye. The first one was a declaration that the approval by Parliament to pay salary to the first and second ladies is inconsistent with Article 71. And this particular relief, the Supreme Court upheld it, saying that stands against the Constitution, and so payment of salaries cannot be made to the first and second ladies. The second relief he sought was the declaration that per Article 71 of the 1992 Constitution, the positions of the first and second ladies were also unconstitutional because they are not public office holders, and in that also regard, the Supreme Court upheld it. The last one that the Supreme Court granted was a declaration that the 1992 Constitution of the Republic, the Emolument Committee, is limited to recommending the salaries and other benefits and privileges of only public office holders. In this regard, the first and second ladies do not fall under the category of the office or public service holders. So these were the reliefs that were granted by the Supreme Court.
And which of the reliefs were not granted?
Only one, declaration that per Article 108 and 178 of the 1992 Constitution, Parliament cannot on its own accord initiate or approve payment of any such emolument which would necessarily be paid from public funds without a bill to that effect emanating from the one introduced by government and duly passed into law. And so this was the one that was not granted by the Supreme Court.
Kojo, how has the plaintiff been reacting to this?
He's been very excited. Kwame Bafo has been very excited together with the lawyer. They've been jubilating. They say that this is victory for democracy. They have been reacting to it.
Well, there was another case before the court filed by South Dai MP, Roxton Dafiomeko. Any decision on that?
Well, so that one related to the same emolument and salaries of the first and second ladies. All reliefs he sought were dismissed with the exception of one, and that also related to the salaries and emolument of the first and second ladies.
Kwejonyaku is head of the legal desk here at Joy News, bringing us some updates from the Supreme Court on the first and second ladies, the payment of the first and second ladies. Now,